and welcome to our channel Quality Zone Infotech. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a like. Today's video is all about YouTube management experts. We at the Quality Zone Infotech offers our customer clients a range of services. We offer our customer YouTube experts to manage their channels. Running through YouTube channels can be pretty time consuming. Shooting as well as editing YouTube videos can take enough time and efforts. However, our YouTube channel manager is expert in offering services aimed to manage the needs of a business. Our channel manager performs a host of tasks, mostly technical, for the client's YouTube channel. The person optimizes the client's videos, titles, tags, as well as descriptions. Our YouTube channel manager makes sure that the client's channels stay updated. The person manages the YouTube channel playlist on a regular basis. The person also replies to all the comments on the YouTube channel. We help our viewer to feel engaged. In this context, it is important to say that YouTube has roughly 1 billion account holders. Almost 4 billion people access YouTube videos on daily basis. Roughly 6 billion hours of YouTube videos are watched on the hourly basis. At Quality Zone Infotech, we offer our customer clients YouTube setup, YouTube background designs, YouTube uploads. We offer our customer services to add YouTube subscribers, increase YouTube likes, optimize video tags, fan engagement services as well as cross-promotion services. We are the best YouTube channel management expert in Noida, Delhi, India. Now let's have a glance on how our YouTube channel creation and management works. We offer our customer services like creating video, uploading the same on the customer's YouTube account. We use optimized title, thumbnails, and description to make your video appealing. We help our customers to log in to YouTube account on regular basis and engage with the viewers regularly. Our services are aimed at enhancing the YouTube account looks. We add relevant content to the YouTube user's account. Now we have different service packages such as Basic, Silver, and Gold. Let's move on to the first, that is Basic. It consists of create YouTube channel, upload videos, optimize title, optimize description, engage viewers, add new content, video branding on social media, tags SEO, comment moderation, up to 5 videos per month, 3,000 views per month, 80 plus YouTube subscription per month, 100 video likes, 50 YouTube comments, manual promotion, monthly week report. So this was all about our basic package. Let's move on to the another package, that is Silver. The Silver package consists of create YouTube channel, upload videos, optimize title, optimize description, engage viewers, add new content, video branding on social media, text SEO, comment moderation, up to 10 videos per month, 6,000 views per month, 170 plus YouTube subscribers per 200 month, plus likes, 100 plus YouTube comments, manual promotion, monthly week report. This was all about the Silver package. Now the last, Gold package. Gold package consists of create YouTube channel, upload videos, optimize title, optimize description, engage viewers, add new content, video branding on social media, tags SEO, comment moderation, up to 15 videos per month, 10,000 plus views per month, 350 plus subscribers per month, 200 plus YouTube comments, manual promotion, monthly report, and paid campaigns. If you want to check out the details about our packages, the link is already been mentioned in the description box. Please don't forget to check it. Now let's meet our YouTube clients, which are Bharat Junjunwala, Ask Health Guru, Be Spiritual TV, Piju's Fitness Lifestyle Vlog, Sonali Shamishra, Some Bright Music, Adi Shakti Entertainment, Amruta's Kitchen and Beauty, Ruchika's Good Food, Hungry Hunt, Dance Fitness Food Squadron, Parvat Production, Borosphere, and Sign Art University. That is it for today, guys. This was all about YouTube management services at Quality Zone Infotech. But before I end this video, please don't forget to give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to share it. Thanks for watching.